Feeling good as hell. Heading out on an AC call. It's 93 degrees. I got the AC on in the truck or the van. And we got a place that's saying the AC's acting up. Let's go take a look at it. See what we get into. Feeling good as hell. Let's see. 99 degrees.
Thank you. You guys have a great day.
Except for sun. Let's go on. I got my ladder up. You can see I painted my ladder. It was solarizing. I was trying to get a little more life out of it. They don't last forever, you guys. Be careful. But that's the top side of my truck where it rides, and it was starting to, like you can see the inside. You know, get you all itchy. So this ladder here it's getting to the end of its lifespan. But I painted it, make it last a little longer. You know, so you don't get itchy armatitis from all the fiberglass. Looks like the condenser fan motor's been changed before. It's not running. Let's check voltage at the disco for starters. What we got here? A little 3-tonner. Yep. Let's see. I always like to see what the total charge is. This one's 9 pounds 6 ounces. 9 pounds 6 ounces. Let's see what we got at the disco. No power coming into the top of the disco. You know, that's the one thing I didn't check downstairs when I checked the thermostat. I did not look at the breaker. Let's go see what the breaker looks like. Let's see what happens. Rail's plugged. Look at that. We're gonna have to clean that. That's gonna make a big old mess down here. That's what I like to do. That's one returner. Let's see if we got another returner in the front of the store. Turn that breaker off. Look. Iced up coil of Titus. Blower is running. You can hear the blower running. So there goes our compressor. It's kicked on. Let's see if I'm going to take the leg off the compressor so we can de-ice this thing. All right, the usual suspects. Iced up coil, low on charge. I got it going for right now because that store is scorching hot. I'm gonna make a follow-up. I'm gonna come back and leak check this unit. She's got a leaker somewhere, so I'm suspecting the evaporator coil. I looked for all the obvious spots, no oil anywhere, so we'll see. Basics.